Imagine it's 3 a.m. in the morning, a managed service provider manages a $1 billion hospital chain. Suddenly, disk space hits 100% on their payment processing server. Patients' billing stops, DBs starts failing. Your on-call engineer gets paged, he wakes up groggy, and now he has to jump into 10 different stacks, digs through multiple chats and KBs, fetches configurational changes, logs into the server using RMM tools like Ditto, perform diagnosis, apply patches, notify stakeholders, prepare post-mortem reports. This is how the normal life cycle of a system engineer looks like in MSP world. Hours after, the issue is fixed, but the SLA is breached. Client is furious, trust is at stake, your engineer is burnt out. This happens every night. Disk space outages, SSL certs gets expired, devices getting offline, networks goes down, ISP outages, same chaos, different days and different layers of infrastructure. Hi, I'm Shubham Sharma, founder and CEO of DXOps. We help automate infrastructure operations for managed service providers using AI. Let me show you how DXOps turns hours of chaos into seconds. At DXOps, we correlate different signals, do pattern recognitions, and mitigate the problem using AI. This is the DXOps multi-tenant dashboard, a single glass pane view of all clients and tools like ITSMs, PSA, RMM, networks, and observability tools where MSPs have 20 to 30 different stacks and we have correlated and we have made a one single glass pane view. As an MSP admin or engineers, I can see everything we manage. All infrastructure health, which includes system, applications, and security, real-time stats, topology, compliance, assets, and others. This gives us the holistic view. This is the dashboard of holistic view of all the clients, which gives us the active incidents and the number of clients and their active incidents and the devices which we manage. Let's click on one of the client. We instantly gets the infrastructure, devices, networks, workstations, security health, and others. This is the active live streamings of the incidents. Here in the incident, if I click on any of them, I can get the timeline, the notes, the similar incidents, which helps me and my agents to perform the action in much more efficient and accurate manner. Here is the heat map, and I can also get the AI insights, which actually helps me get the recommendations on when to perform patching on the Windows or the updation. When an engineer wants to investigate something or a C-level executive wants to generate WBR QBR reports, they go to Ask DXOps. It's our conversational agent. It's trained on your infrastructure, incidents, alerts, and uploaded KBs. I can show you some of the example which has been prepared for the demo. Is there any outages of ISP in LA? And we have correctly found all the details in the real time. If I ask how to handle the ransomware attacks, it rightly gives me all the details that how to handle the ransomware attacks based on my company and my client's infrastructure. If I ask how many devices are offline, it goes and gives me in the real world, it tries to get into my infrastructure stack and tries to find out the detail. This is just like the cursor for MSP world. It shows us the to-dos list and it tries to find out, and here is the answer. Let's move on to one of the most powerful product of our offering, that is Agentic Studio, a no-code platform where with just drag and drop, you can create your own personal powerful agents to automate your workflow. For the demo purpose, I have created three different agents. One is generate the reports and send it to me over the email. I'm asking here to perform an analytical report for the past 90 days of incidents. Here, based on my requirement, I can also ask my agent to perform the script generation and send it to me over Slack. And here it is. It has sent me over the Slack the details of the script which I wanted. Let's see over the detailed report on how we are getting. So this is the detailed report, and this is how the details report looks like. Thank you.